Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker M1 M1. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then at the back bottom of the speaker we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And at the top of the speaker we have this LED light, so it means that it's charging. But also we can use a phone to charge our speaker, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second USB-C cable at the back bottom side of the speaker. And again we should check this LED light, and we have it, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.